I said this sounds really good.
Thank you, buddy.
You know, did you just get this?
Yeah, I just got it a couple days ago.
Oh wow! Congratulations.
Thank you.
It looks beautiful.
Appreciate you.
Can I put your bike on my YouTube channel?
Sure, go ahead.
Give me 1 second. I'll show
Turn it
you.
on or turn it off?
No, you.
We came over to look at those, but this is better.
Yes, it is.
That's why I parked it far away. I don't want to take it away.
Yeah, take it away. Well, one, you know, like, yes, everybody's got like, how much is this? Yeah.
Yeah.
How long you had it?
Shit, 2 days, 3 days.
Oh, no
Yeah,
kidding.
yeah. I just got it.
Where'd you get it from?
Rosso Corsa in California.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did it come just like this, or did you had to? Did you spec
So,
this bike?
It comes with a race box, so it comes with the wheels, it comes with the exhaust, but I got the clear clutch, all the Primax stuff I got.
So this is 2024 or
2022.
this is 2022?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, even if you had said 24, we wouldn't know.
Yeah, I think it's 51 out of 150.
Okay. Did it have any mileage on it when you got it?
98.
How much?
198.
Oh, so it's brand new.
Yeah. First thing they asked me when I called the place over, so like 25% of the Agusta riders on the ride. You know, I just don't put it in the garage. I'm like, no, bro, I'm riding.
Yeah.
I bought an extended warranty for it. Like, I'm gonna ride this.
I figured, yeah. Tags off,
Yeah.
whatnot, yeah.
What did you pick this one for?
What's that?
How much did you buy this for?
This was, I got it shipped for $37.5.
Oh wow.
Have you paid $1 a mile for shipping? Unfortunately. Tell me how I know.
You didn't want to fly and ride?
Right? Dude, I wish in California.
Yeah.
I wish.
Oh, you die.
So why MV Agusta versus what was your decision based on your budget? Because you had a very good budget, so you could have gone a lot of other bikes too.
I wanted something rare, man. I had a Aprilia 2021 RSV4 1100 factory, and I love that bike. But I started looking into these, and I wanted something that you don't see much. So
That'll do it.
Yeah.
So did you look at the 210 V4 as well? Or?
I looked at the 210 V4. I looked at the SP1, SP2. I looked at the what else did I look at? I actually looked at the Rush. Have you seen the Rush with like the big wheel?
Yeah.
But I mean,
The Rush is hard to get, right?
so they make 300 a year.
Exactly.
And I wanted this one because they only make 150, and that was it. So
Oh wow, they only make 150.
150. That's it.
Oh wow, so this is even more rare.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that. Wow.
And I don't know how I felt about the wheel, the cover wheel. Yeah. So I don't know.
So are the wheels carbon or Kevlar?
I don't know how I feel about it.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, the light from the back, woo, looks money, right? It looks money. Bike you have, or do you have any other bike as
I
well?
have a custom V-Rod.
Okay.
And I have a R9T.
Okay. So you have like 2 other bikes. So which one is the one that you're riding the most lately? Just this one, or this?
I just got it, so I'm about to put some seat time on it.
Okay.
So I don't know yet. So
Okay.
Today's the first time I rode it just to make sure it's okay. Today's pretty much the second time I got on it for more than 5 minutes.
And how do you find it? Is it comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Torquey?
Torquey?
V4, yeah, very torquey.
Right.
Very
Okay.
torquey. Very light because the wheels.
Right.
Doesn't get hot. Not like the Ducatis.
Oh, it doesn't?
Yeah,
Okay.
Dude, it doesn't get hot.
This
again,
is
I
a
don't-
wet clutch or a dry clutch?
What?
Wet clutch, right? That's what I thought.
I don't think they do try.
No.
No, they
they're
don't?
smart.
Okay.
Only Ducati. Just
Only
have
2,
it.
yeah.
They're the only idiot ones.
And they go bad all the time.
Well,
They're-
yeah, because there's no lubrication. They
Yeah.
heat up. And you're in stop and go, or you're on track.
What do you think of the new,
Yeah.
the new V4? Have you seen that?
I haven't, no.
They changed it up. Apparently, a lot of people.
Yeah, okay.
Look, I'm excited to try it, the new V4,
Yeah.
but I don't like the look because they got rid of that single swing arm. Oh wow. Oh wow. 51 or one. Yeah.